Geez, it's pretty dark in here. Not very good for Brad's Gadgets video. I guess I should order a ring light or something. Let's see what they got on Amazon. Ooh, 50,000 results. That's a lot of ring lights. Hey everybody, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I'm going to review the Neewer 19-inch RGB ring light. I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll go over all the features of the light itself. I'll kind of go over why I picked this light and why I thought it was a very good buy for the money. Let's get into the unboxing. Nice little handy case. Alright, so look at our classic Neewer stand for a nice sturdy base. And it's got these adjusting knobs, and then you can extend it for whatever the height you want. We've got accessories. We've got instruction manuals. So the accessories that come with it is a little remote control. It's a Bluetooth shutter for your camera or your phone. We've got a phone holder in case you want to mount it onto the ring light. And we've got a camera mount, which is a cold shoe adapter to a 1/4-20, so we can mount our camera to the ring light. Comes with an AC adapter and of course the power cable. Come over here a little bit. You see we've got a USB port, so you can charge your phone while you're using your ring light, as well as the AC adapter port that we're going to plug into. There's also a few other little 1/4-20 holes here if we want to mount some either some accessories to it or to a separate tripod. And we have our on and off switch. You can see the indentations on both sides here, and that is for the battery. That doesn't come with it, but if you have any of these batteries, they just slide into place like so and snap them in. So you can use this wirelessly as well. Okay. Up here we've got our display panel and all of our controls. Okay. I'm gonna just mount this on here like so, and we'll just tighten her up. All right, so I'm just gonna plug it in and we'll just turn it on and see how it is. Plug it in. Now you gotta remember that the switch has two positions. One's for battery, one's for AC adapter. All right, so we can currently see we're at 5600K. We're at 100% brightness. And with our right dial, we can dial it down to how much brightness we want in percentages, okay? All the way down to 10%. Okay. Back up to 100% with this dial, your right dial. On your left dial, you're gonna change your color temperature. So we can go from 5600 all the way down to 3200. And you can see definitely the difference that's making on the backdrop. Gives us a little bit different amount of light. If we want to switch over to colors, we're going to hit that right button. We're just going to push that right in. And now we can see that we're on hue number 44 and what kind of saturation we have. Okay. We can start turning our left dial and that's going to change our RGB. Okay. So we're into green, blue, still blue, lots of blues. Now into purple. Okay. Kind of a pinky red to red, and we can dial it back into that original. We're on 33, I think. So we can dial it into the exact color tint that we want. Okay. If we use our right wheel, now that's going to control the dimness here. Very simple to use, very intuitive. If we just click the right button, we're back to our whites. We can see here we have a cold shoe adapter up here and one below here. So that's an extra 2 that you get for a total of 5 cold shoe mounts in this ring light. So again, we're gonna dial her down just so you can see the difference on the backdrop from 10% to 100%, and again down to 3200K. You can see the difference that you can just dial in here. And again, once we hit our color, you can see how that affects the backdrop. Okay, so we're going to change it using our left wheel. Now we're into green, blues, still some more blues, our purple, our reds and pinks. Yeah, go back a little bit. Our orange, and we're going to dial it back into our 33. That's just for example to show you exactly how we can get that perfect color just by dialing in the number we want. Now I'm just going to dim this down a little bit so that you can see the colors and it doesn't saturate the lens. Very difficult to film on this side of the ring light. Now when your subject is looking directly at the lens, see the halos over the pupils? That gives such a nice effect on video and photographs. You can see as soon as she doesn't look at the lens, the halos are offset in the pupils. Again, this is one of those little details that will accentuate the eyes in your subject. Now let's take a good look at the RGB portion of this light and how you can throw different effects on your subject and on the background. So one of the neat things about this light is that if you hold this left button down for 2 seconds, we can put it into a mode where it'll create flashes. I believe it's paparazzi mode. I'll list them right here, all the different modes. There's only 5, but at least you'll be able to see the difference. And I'll go through them one by one. So I guess the idea behind this is it's supposed to mimic paparazzi taking your picture. This one's supposed to be like a broken light bulb. This one's supposed to be like a series of flashes. And we've got different styles here. Kind of like a thunder, lightning, or something. Anyways, I do have to warn you. If you are prone to any epilepsy or know anybody that has it, I would totally avoid using these modes. I don't have it, but even already my eyes are starting to get a little weird with all this weird flickering and stuff. All right, so if we want to mount a camera in the center of the ring light, we'll use the cold shoe adapter. It's got the 1/4 on it. We mount it to the camera, and it just fits in here in this slot. Okay. Just like so, and you tighten it up. There's actually 3 positions for this, which is terrific. So if I want any other accessories, a flash, a strobe, maybe a second or even third camera, there's 3 different positions that we can mount it to. Okay, and this slides in, tightens it up. Now this ring light only comes with the one, but you can buy these relatively cheap off of Amazon, these cold shoe 1/4 adapters. They're maybe $8 or $9. So the idea of it is that when you are taking a photograph or picture or video, you're taking it through this light, and that light will help illuminate the face a lot nicer than one-sided light, two-sided light, fill lights, and it's direct. You get the rings, the little eye rings in the eyes, which help accentuate your videos. And I think it's a terrific light for the price. Plus I like the fact that you can add an ambience to it by changing whatever color you want. This is a fantastic little upgrade to your lights. And it's super easy and intuitive to use. I'm a very big fan of the digital display on the back. See that? We've got her dialed down to 10%. All the way up to 100% now. And I like the fact that you can use your batteries with that. These ones are the Neewer NP F550s. They weren't that expensive, and again, it makes your light a lot more portable. So if you're going to go outside or something, you don't have to bring an extension cord. All in all, for the price, you can't beat it for this ring light. If you're going to do a YouTube video or a photo shoot, even still photography, portraits, I can't recommend this light enough. It's fantastic for the price. Is it professional quality? I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't see this in a studio somewhere, I don't think. Is it terrific for home use and non-professionals as well? Absolutely. Why spend thousands of dollars on a light when you can buy this one right here? One thing you should know is I don't make any money off these videos, and I don't tell a product's good because it was given to me. I've never been given any product. I bought all this stuff myself for my own home use, my videos, my photography skills, things like that. After I've used an item for a while, then I like to share my experiences with them. Right? I want to let people know, hey, is this a good product? Is it not a good product? Stay away from it. What are the pros? What are the cons? Am I going to tell you to go out, run out right now and buy this ring light? Well, if you're in the market for a ring light, I'd say definitely take a look at this one and see if it's right for you. Tell you not to buy it. Again, I'm not going to tell you not to buy it. It's a great product, in my opinion. So hopefully I brought this to you and you've seen the benefits to it, weighed the pros and cons, and maybe it's just opened up a new option for you, or maybe it's closed an option for you. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, we'll catch you next time. But you better smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everybody. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing really quick. Probably cut most of this out. Nobody wants to see this. All right, so ooh, that's a bit of an angle there. Put it in. I gotta start that all over again. And as always, yeah.
What am I looking at?
Look at the lens if you can.
Well, where? In the middle?
Yeah.
I don't know where the middle is.
Now I gotta edit all this.
We were gonna leave it in anyway.
We'll catch you next time. You better smash that like button and subscribe.